Are you ready to get toasted?
Hey guys, my name is Kostas Lazanas. I am the owner and head chef here at Lazanask Greek Tap House and Kitchen. Today is a very, very exciting day. We are installing our Toast point of sale system. I tell you what, as a chef, I know that the kitchen is the heart of the restaurant, but a fantastic point of sale system, well, that's the brains. Let's get this thing unboxed. Let's talk about the most revolutionary piece of equipment that we have, which is our Toast handhelds 2.0. We've been using these at our other restaurant and they have literally flipped the game upside down. The entire staff loves them. So versatile. We slip one at the host stand, the expo, just wherever you want to put a point of sale system, you add it right there. So make sure if you are going to be ordering a Toast point of sale system, you absolutely allow them to talk you into the handhelds. Just high quality. We've dropped them, we've spilled them in water, and they are built like a tank. Toast 2.0 for the win. So as innovative and cutting edge as the Toast handhelds are, nothing beats the tried and true server workstation. A place where your staff can regroup and have a little alone time and really focus on putting in the guest order. We also use these terminals even in unorthodox places like the host stand, where we actually convert it to like a kiosk where guests who are doing more and more takeout can stop on by and just check out right there with the host stand. Some brochures, pamphlets, actual terminal, AC power adapter, internet cables. That's everything. So yeah, I highly recommend whenever you speak to your sales rep, do a combination of both handhelds and these terminals. You can't go wrong. Chef Mateo actually conducting like our very first kitchen interview right here in our kitchen. Very exciting stuff. And we just got the Toast sales rep. Hey, how are you?
Hey!
Says sales rep. She's not a sales rep. She's actually like an installer. We're gonna change that, Toast. We can't just call her an installer. Title, how about implementation engineer? You like that? One thing about Toast, they are gonna ship you routers and switches and all the networking stuff you're gonna do. And in fact, the person who comes out to help you install it's gonna be an expert at all that. I actually went a different route. One of my best friends, he's actually like this IT genius, and we actually opted to do all of our own IT in-house. One feature that we really loved that I thought was just gonna be more of a bells and whistle feature, it actually turned out to be basically crucial, was the implementation of these kitchen display screens. We put two on the line that bump to the one that's on the expo. It makes things so much more organized, especially on a busy shift. Grab the bigger KDS screens you're gonna wish you had. I don't think that Toast should carry the small ones anymore. Maybe there's a space for it, but in a dessert station or a salad station, but not on the line. If you're gonna install a KDS screen on the line, get the bigger KDS screen. I've never used one on the expo side, so I'll have to let you know how that turns out in a future video. I don't know how I would have ever opened up this restaurant without Toast. The usability of the system is just spectacular. I can toggle between the two restaurants. I see real-time sales reporting. I can pull staff from one location to the other. It really is just revolutionized the way that we can operate and allowing restaurateurs like myself to just grow and grow and grow, which is what we all want to do. I also have this cubby hole outside where I'm going to be mounting a terminal. We have an access point for Wi-Fi, so we are primarily going to be using the handhelds. But again, I thought it'd be kind of cool to have an additional terminal outside as well. All right, we have the 4 terminals plugged in, the 3 handhelds set up, the 3 KDS screens set up. The last thing to do is a meeting of the minds, sitting down with the management team, and actually figuring out how all this stuff works, which we actually already know, but we're gonna go through it anyway.
Is it Toast Player day 4.